is my 1999 GMC Savannah. I've had it for about 4 months now, and I'm living out of it part-time. Come on in. So this is the little entryway here. My dog hangs out right here when we drive, and she likes to look out the side door there. I've got the kitchen here. This is the camp stove I got. I had this at work, so I just took it from my work when I left, and
I used to have 2 of those.
Heck yeah, it works really well. It was only $100, so I bought it for my work and just took it when I left work. I use this as a counter. I still don't have any solar, so no power or anything, so I still use my my cooler right here. And then I just keep my propane tank next to it. I don't have that mounted yet.
Yeah,
so
living the ice life can be interesting.
Yes, it's not the best, but it definitely limits me, like how many days I can stay out at a time. Because I have to get ice every like 2 to 3 days. So that's something I want to fix, is get solar and at least get a refrigerator. But when I bought the bus, it had the bed in it already. Or the bed frame, and it had this counter as well. So the only thing I've done to this bus since I've had it is raise the bed up a little bit so I could fit my totes and all my storage underneath. This is where I put like all my food for my kitchen, my camp supplies, and my clothes go here. So I raised the bed up and then kind of made it a little more narrow so I had like a more big walking path. And then the counter, the only thing I've done with this is I took out this back third so I could put my little camp toilet here. But this is how I bought it. I just painted it. The guy that had it before me had these pull-outs. He installed these pull-outs, and of course like this one pulled out as well. And then his wife slept here, and he would just pull these out, throw a mattress on there, and then he slept right here. But now it's just my counter and also my cat spot. So that's his little hangout area. When I have to leave the bus for a while, I always put the cat in here just in case like a window falls down or something, you know, to keep him safe. And then his litter box goes down here. Then all my shower stuff is right here. And that's kind of like the junk drawer in anyone's kitchen at their house that just has all my random crap. And
you kept one of the original bus seats, which is nice.
Yeah, I kept that. That was there when I bought the bus, and there was one more seat, a front-facing seat. I took that one out because I had no room for the kitchen. But yeah, I wanted to keep this one here because it's perfect, you know, to sit here and have breakfast or to sit here and hang out in the evening or whatever. But yeah, I haven't really done much to it. Like I said, there's no solar, there's no plumbing or anything like that. So the only thing I would really like to do is just add some solar, and then maybe down the road a little bit of plumbing.
Shows people that you don't have to have it everything to get on the road. You can deal with it, and then as you go, add things. You know?
Exactly. Like I wasn't sure if I wanted a rooftop deck either, but then my bus neighbor over here, Jory, has one, and we've been sitting on it. It's a lot of fun. So now I might have to spend the money.
His video was a few weeks before this one, so if people want to look back.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get pictures of it too, get some ideas. But yeah, other than that, the only probably like cute little thing in here is I've got my little library. I've got my little library over here. So this little cabinet opens up, and it actually goes pretty deep, so I can fit like probably 30 or more books in there. They're just like stacked 3 back. And then I can fit some on the side over here too. So that's a cute little spot right there. But yeah, it's pretty basic, but I like it. You know, I travel with the dog and the cat, so it gets really dirty in here. We hike. Basically, what we use the bus for is to go around the country and find hiking spots. So it gets like pretty filthy in here. So I haven't built it out or put flooring in or anything like that, because every single day I'm like sweeping out the bus, you know, wiping stuff down from all of us. So, but it's done us super good.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you.
All right. Yes, thank you.
Oh, and do you have any social media contact you like people to know in case they want to get a hold of you?
No, don't have anything.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.